I'm Caitlin, owner of the productivity software company Simply.Digital. Today I want to talk about scheduling tasks with specific times, which is something we all know we need to do in order to be productive, while also keeping our schedules flexible, which is what most of us want, and for business owners may have been a key motivator for why you even started a business in the first place. You start your own business looking for flexibility, and very soon you're hearing from all sides that the only way to be productive and successful is to have a very strict calendar and to live by it. So can we have both? The flexibility and the organized schedule that helps us be more productive. This is my own system, and it is the basis for my task management app, Simply Goals and Tasks. Check that out at Simply.Digital if you would like. I call it flexible scheduling, and the idea is you don't have to say exactly what date and time you're going to do every task as soon as you think about having to do it. For example, I like to plan my holiday travel in September. It would be silly for me to put it in my calendar for September 1st when I have no idea what's going to be happening in September 1st. That's a long way away right now. What you should be able to do is have flexibility in how granular you get when scheduling a task. So not September 1st at 3 p.m., which is what I'd have to say now if I was keeping my tasks in a calendar. By the way, I don't think calendars are the right tools for managing tasks if you didn't pick up on that. So rather than the 1st at 3 p.m., I just want to say September. So what we've established is that we want to be able to schedule our tasks at different levels of granularity. Sometime this month, sometime this week, Tuesday at noon. What we're talking about is zooming in and out. Zooming out is ideal for planning, and zooming in is ideal for executing. I think we've all heard the advice that in order to be productive, we have to have a really detailed schedule and then be disciplined and execute on it. But don't throw away the baby with the bathwater. There's no advantage to saying exactly which day of the week you're going to do a task that right now you just want to do next week. On the contrary, you don't know what new opportunities or challenges are going to present themselves between now and then. And frankly, it just doesn't make sense to zoom in with that level of granularity so far into the future. So this isn't super innovative. Lots of paper planners have worked this way for decades, though not many task management apps work this way, with one clear exception. But whether you use Simply Goals and Tasks, a paper planner, some system you've invented yourself, the point is you don't have to give up your flexibility in order to be productive. There is a lot of space between the strictness of a calendar and the unorganized super long list. And to me, the key for a system that takes the best out of both of those two extremes is to have a system that can zoom out to the monthly level for you to plan and then break it down by week and break it down to a daily schedule that you can actually execute on. Like I said, there's a lot of systems in that space between the rigidness of a calendar and the lack of structure of a list. Subscribe to the channel because I plan on making videos explaining and breaking down all of the major ones. Cheers!